Hello and Assalamu alaikum. This is Ahmed Malik. I am the Managing Director of Royal Leather Industries. Royal Leather Industries is a tannery which caters to finished leather from raw till finished and caters to all your leather needs, whether it may be cow, goat, sheep or buffalo. We produce all sorts of leather and export them throughout the world. This industry was incorporated in 1986 and has been producing leather for the past 40 years. In the upcoming crisis, energy crisis in Pakistan, Royal Leather Industries decided that we should go towards the solar project, and for which we hired True Solar. We signed an MOU with them which caters to a total of 1 megawatt as a whole project, but of which 100 kilowatt has already been installed in Royal Leather Industries. During this process, the installation and the consultation services and everything was really smooth, and we were able to do it without any hassle. And I would definitely recommend all the industrialists out there that energy cost is really high nowadays, and they should reduce their electricity cost by going into solar. And when talking about solar, True Solar is one of the best options, as their consultation services, their after sale services and their market representation about True Solar is really good. And I would really recommend True Solar in order to fulfill all your electricity solar requirements.